to have you. Welcome to Annie's Art. This is Arts and Crafts for Kids by Kids. And this is what we're going to make. Birds in the sky. You're going to learn how to blend colors together and draw a bird in the sky. We are going to make a picture of the sky today. These are the things you need. A crumpled paper towel, paint brushes, canvas, paints, water, and a flat paper towel. And if you don't have a canvas, you can use regular paper. So let's get started. First, you'll need your paints. A light blue and a dark blue. You'll grab a big brush and paint the first half of the canvas blue, dark blue. After you're finished, wash your brush, the big brush, and then you dry it on then you can dry it, and then you dip it in the light blue and paint the other half of the canvas. And make sure the edge right right next to the other color is the wettest part, because that's where we're going to blend colors together. So now you grab your crumpled paper towel and you blend these two colors together. Take the dark blue and mix it into the light blue, but you'll still see some light blue and make it really pretty. Then when it looks good, black paint, a smaller brush, and then you can draw your birds. Once you finish the birds, I like to get a really small brush and add some detail to it. If you enjoyed the art today, please subscribe.